What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got a new toy here. It's the CXD D12 Mini, which is a mini replica of the very famous WPL D12. The packaging for this truck is very nice, and you can see some info written on the packaging itself. It's a rear wheel drive and it's a 1/16 scale mini truck here. What I like about this packaging is that it actually has a transparent layer that you can see the car without opening the box. Let's unbox this now. Inside the box, we got the controller, the car, a manual, a mini screwdriver, and the stickers and accessories for the car, including the charger. Now let's have a closer look on this car. This car is actually designed by Mr. Huang from WPL himself, so it looks pretty much the same to its big brother WPL D12. It has this yellowish or grayish white color and hard body, detailed interior. The front suspension is independent from each other, and the rear is actually linked. This car is running on a rear wheel drive. So you can see the 130 motor here. For the battery, this car is actually running on single cell 3.7 watt lithium ion battery. You can find the battery in this battery compartment here. Just click here to open the battery compartment, and you can see the small battery here. It's also stated here, lithium ion 3.7 watt. Okay, now let's see what's inside the car as well. So to open the car up, you have to remove 6 screws. After removing the screws, you have to slowly pull this up. You can see that the LED is connected here, so don't pull it too hard or you will break it. Okay, let's have a closer look. This is the main controller board built in with the receiver, and it's a standard 3-pin servo, and this is a 130 motor here. While we are waiting for the battery to get charged, we'll be installing all the accessories on the car. To turn this car on, you will have to turn this to on, and you will see the LED headlight start blinking. This is indicating that the controller is not bound yet. So all you need to do is just to turn on your controller and it will bind correctly. First, let's test the steering. You can see it's actually proportional. Next, the throttle. There are actually 2 speeds for this truck. You can turn the speed up and down here. Low speed, high speed. There's also a steering trim here that you can adjust the car steering. Let's give it a test run here. I'll say that this CXD Mini D12 is actually pretty fun to play with and is worth the price. It has decent speed and is able to climb some slope, even though it's only running on a single cell 3.7 watt battery. If you are interested in getting one of these for yourself, you can visit AsiaRCDepot via the link in the description. In next video, I'll be testing this mini truck here to its max in terms of speed, towing capacity, and perhaps slope climbing. If you're interested, do stay tuned by subscribing to our channel here. And that's it for this video. See you in the next. Bye.